In this video, we are going to show you how to create the estimation. To create the estimation, you can click on the short link here, or you can access it from the advisor name over here, estimation. So we'll click on the estimation, and in the estimation, you can mention the contact number. If the contact number is saved, it will populate the data over here, depending on the first plate number saved for this number. If the number is not mentioned, then you will not get any data. You will have to enter the customer name, the new customer name. Then the new customer's email address, ucs.com. It's not mandatory, but you can fill it if you need to. Then you can give the plate number. Plate number we are going to give C45567EXB. Then we can give the Emirates over here. Give the VIN number. Select the brand. Select the model. Give the kilometers on the vehicle. Select the customer approval and set it to waiting. Enter the job description, what he came for. Enter the part number used. To enter the part number, you can directly enter the description. If you create a new part, let's create a new part. As you can see, the description replicates into the part number. If you have a specific part number, you can assign that part number. Give the quantity, the cost price. Give the selling price. If you do have a markup, you can give the markup, let's say 50, and we'll change accordingly over here. Set the department. This is a mechanical work, so I'm going to put it under mechanical service. Then I'm going to give the labor in the labor charges section. Give the time, set the department. If you have a technician, you can assign the technician here and then save the estimation. Once you save the estimation, you'll direct it to the next estimation. Now if you need to see the previous estimation, you can just change the number to 11. Once you save the estimation, you will get the estimation print. Once you get the estimation print, you will have the amount over here. You can send this to the customer.